how to refresh kale you've had in your refrigerator way too long. This is also helpful when you want to massage your kale but don't feel like doing a massage. First, chop your kale with a nice sharp knife, however you would like it. We like our pieces pretty big in this house. Next, place your kale in a microwave-safe bowl. Spread it out evenly so it's about the same height everywhere. Place in your microwave and set your timer for about 30 seconds. Once that's done microwaving, take it out of the microwave and your kale looks even more refreshed than usual. Maybe you can trick your guests into thinking you just purchased it and massaged the kale too.